Alright everyone, so this is how you fix a wood letter here. So I'll show you what I did. This is a letter E. It broke. My wife wants to hang it on the wall, so it's got to be flat against the back after I repair it, so I can't put anything on the back to brace it. So what I did is I drilled 2 holes in the bottom and then 2 holes in the center. Now the reason I drilled the holes in there is I'm going to slide toothpicks down in there to stabilize it. You can see the toothpicks here. And then I'm going to drill holes in the other pieces and put it together, and that'll strengthen this when it's all together. So I drilled holes on this end, and then to make sure the holes match up on this piece, what I'm going to do is I got some yellow paint here. I'm going to take the yellow paint, touch it just on the tips of those toothpicks, and then touch it to this, and that'll tell me where to drill the new holes. So here we go. Let's see here. So what I'll do is I'll get another toothpick. I'll just put a little paint on the end right there, and then a little more paint on the end of this one right here, and then what we're gonna do is just make sure we line this up good, just kind of eyeball it, and then touch it together. Oh, that's not quite right. There we go. Just kind of eyeball it. Another thing you can do while you hold it there is take a pin and kind of mark where it's at. Okay, that'll work. So now we're going to drill holes in this, and then it'll line right up. So I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, so we finished this middle piece already. Now we're going to put this bottom piece on. So I already drilled holes here, put a little glue on top. And now we're going to slide it. Let's see here. We're going to slide it together. So it's coming together. Hang on. And there we go, all together. We're going to repaint it. You won't even see those cracks, but that is how you fix a wood letter E. Good luck out there. Like and subscribe. Thanks.